Hi everyone, this is Team Squadratic Equation, and we're working on the problem of finding misplaced items. I'm Rutuja Kulkarni.
I'm Aaron Wang.
I'm Cara, Klinger.
I'm Nathan Jordan.
And I'm Ikenna, Nebolisa.
Our problem statement was that people waste time as a result of misplacing household items. The methods we used to reach out and collect data were that we emailed 2 professors from the psychology and neuroscience departments, we used phone call and face-to-face interviews, and we also used a Google form survey. Our interview results indicated that there were mixed feelings about preventing losing items versus speeding up the time it takes to find items. We also found that people over the age of 55 struggle with using technology, and there were a lot of mixed feelings about whether people would actually buy a solution to our problem. Also, generally, people didn't mind the possibility of disturbing others with beeping and flashing, which opened a lot of pathways for our potential prototype. Because of a lot of ambiguity, we decided to do another survey to get more concrete data. One thing we found out was that people lose the same items continuously versus random items, so it's more of a habitual thing. Our revised design question because of this was, how might we minimize the time it takes to find regularly misplaced household items, which is more specific than our last design question. Our prior art search indicated that there was a bunch of different versions of the same GPS tracking device, all of which were between $20 and $30. And after doing more research in the Google Forms survey, we found that people weren't willing to pay that much money. As you can see, most people said they wanted to pay $0 to $15 for our solution. Our potential prototypes were the echolocator, the Marco Polo device, and an AR heat map finder. Ikenna will now present the echolocator.
Okay, so this is the echolocator. It's an app on your phone. Basically, to find it is the logo, and then when you swipe, it gives you a variety of options, one of which is create an echo map. And this is what happens when you create an echo map. Basically, it goes through a period of mapping, and after it's done sending out a sound and collecting that sound, it gives you 2 maps, one map of a previous time you used the echolocator, and another of one you just used it, and it gives you the differences that were in each map. So then you can go to those spots and see if that's where your lost object is, and it also gives you a 3-dimensional map at the bottom left. And now here's Nathan with the Marco Polo.
This is the Marco Polo Mark I. Whenever it's activated, it will wait to hear a snapping or a clapping sound, and then it will return a noise and light up. It works in the dark. And it even works at a distance under some obstructions. So yes, the Marco Polo, it is designed to cater to those who are not technologically inclined. With it, there are no remotes to lose, nor are there any apps to fuddle around with. The volume and sensitivity are both adjustable depending on what kind of room you are in and how good your hearing is. And overall, it is designed to provide both a visual and an audio aid to help you find almost any object it is attached to.
So this is the AR heat map finder. Basically, you attach some kind of tracker onto your onto an item, and in this case, we use the sticker, and you use your phone to simulate an app. With your camera, you can use the panorama to scan a room, and then as you can see in the bottom left corner or right corner, it shows you on your phone where exactly the item is.
So as you can see, we have 3 different prototypes that we are able to run for week 3. And in week 3, we're trying to collect and analyze the different users' feedback through recording their suggestions and advice. And we plan to try to get feedback from 10 or more users this week. Yeah, and everyone contributed to this project so far. So we all interviewed 2 people, attended meetings, which we had 3 of them so far. And we worked on the creation of the presentation videos as well as distributing the surveys. And I also made the surveys.
I interviewed the experts and hosted all the Zoom meetings.
I designed and created the Marco Polo.
I created the AR heat map prototype.
And I created the echolocation prototype.
We're very excited to see where this project takes us.